So today I wanted to take you through the creation of a accept decline campaign that sends out your contact a question that can be answered in either yes or a no. And depending on what they answered with, you can push them into the relevant conversation tree and send them the relevant message, depending on what they answered. So to get started, we go into create new, we go into general, and there we have it, accept or decline. And the sample question is, hey, it's Joe from Acme. Just wanted to let you know that we have a few discount weekends coming up. Would you like me to keep you in the loop? Now, this doesn't necessarily have to be discount weekends. It could be upcoming events, if they'd like to be circulated with any other offers via email or SMS or whatever message you like, really. And depending on if they accepted, answered yes, or if they declined, answered no, they sent the relevant message. So let's go ahead and call this, whoops, let's go ahead and call this would you be interested? And create draft. So once you create draft, there are two specific views that you can see your campaign. The diagrammatic view that shows you the conversation branches and how the conversation will flow depending on what they answer with. And the text view gives us the opportunity to edit each of the text messages that we send out depending on what they answered and the initial question itself. So I'm going to go ahead and edit this to be, hey, first name, it's Aaron from RG. Just wanted to ask you if you're interested in viewing our upcoming video tutorials. Okay, and if they decline, I'll say thanks for letting me know, first name, that's fine. I bet you're an expert already. All right. And if they accept, let's change this to I'll send you details shortly. Cheers, Aaron. So once you're happy with the text, we can go ahead and update. Now on the right-hand side, we can add contacts in one of two ways, either in the testing environment, where we can test out this particular conversation with our team or our peers and see if the responses are coming in the way we want them to, and those responses are being pushed into the relevant conversation branches the way we want them to. And once you're happy with that, you can update, save, and you can add live contacts. Once you go live, you can no longer make any changes to your existing campaign. So I'm quite happy with this. I'm going to go ahead and add a live contact. And even adding live contacts, there are a few ways we can do this. We can either upload from a template. Say, for example, you're uploading 500 or 1,000 contacts, or maybe even more than that. Uploading from a CSV would be the easiest way to do this in bulk. Or we can upload from a Salesforce campaign. Or, for example, if I have my Campaign Monitor integration, I can upload straight from a Campaign Monitor list. But if I have a couple of contacts to test with, or even if I want to go live with just a handful, I can always add my contacts manually. But just for the sake of showing you how the CSV upload goes, I can download a template. And this template will have all the relevant information that we need specific for this campaign. So I'm going to go ahead and add myself. And my mobile number is +614. Now this contact ID is normally something that's the same as how this contact is represented in any CRM that you're using, Salesforce, HubSpot, Blackboard, for example. If you're not using a CRM, we can have this display any information that we wanted, but it can't be left blank. So we'll call that 1. This can be any alphanumeric item that you want. Okay, I'm going to save that, close it, and now I'm going to upload CSV. That's the template. And you'll see my contact has been successfully uploaded. Now, if I'm going live, I can choose to send to this batch right now, or I can choose to schedule send it, let's say, for example, tomorrow at 10 a.m. 10 a.m. Cool. Yep, schedule. I'm happy with my testing. Now, if I was unhappy, or maybe there was a couple of more contacts that I wanted to send out to, I can either add live contacts again, and it'll be scheduled sent at this time, or I can cancel the schedule, edit my text, and go live again. However you want it to be. Cool. Thanks so much, guys. See you in the next one.